How do I add antifreeze to my car?
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be tackling an important aspect of car maintenance: how to add antifreeze to your car. Also known as coolant, antifreeze is crucial for your engine's performance and longevity, especially in extreme weather conditions. Let's dive in.
What is antifreeze and why is it important?
Antifreeze, or coolant, is a liquid that absorbs heat from the engine and then dissipates it through the radiator. It is vital for preventing the engine from overheating in the summer and freezing in the winter. A proper level of antifreeze is crucial to keep your car running smoothly and to avoid costly engine damage.
Checking the antifreeze level.
Before adding antifreeze, you need to check the current level. Ensure your car is cool before doing this to avoid any injury from steam or hot coolant. 1. Pop the hood of your car and locate the coolant reservoir. It is usually a translucent plastic tank near the radiator. 2. Check the fluid level. There should be markings on the side of the reservoir indicating the minimum and maximum levels. If the level is below the minimum mark, you need to add more antifreeze.
Choosing the right antifreeze.
When choosing an antifreeze, you must pick one that's suitable for your car. Refer to your vehicle's manual to see the recommended type and color of antifreeze. Note that different types of antifreeze should not be mixed.
Adding the antifreeze.
Now let's get down to the actual process of adding antifreeze. 1. With a cool engine, open the cap of the coolant reservoir slowly. Be careful. If the engine is still warm, pressure might cause the coolant to spray out. 2. Pour the antifreeze into the reservoir until it reaches the maximum level. It's a good idea to use a funnel to prevent any spills. 3. Replace the cap securely and close the hood. Remember to never pour antifreeze while the engine is hot, as it can lead to serious burns. And that's it. You now know how to add antifreeze to your car. Regularly checking and maintaining the proper level of antifreeze is key to keeping your car in good running condition. As always, safety first. Be sure the engine is cool before starting the process. Thanks for watching, and safe driving.